When it comes to building your credit, there's a few different things that they don't tell you about building your credit with a secure credit card. And I'm going to share with you just something I learned on my personal experience. I was in Phoenix, Arizona, and I started my business, and I needed to work on my personal credit due to a past divorce, and had a couple items on there I needed to get removed. And once I worked on that, they told me, hey, get the secure credit card. And I was like, well, for how much? They said, well, depends on how much you can afford. I got it, family, for $1,000, a secure credit card. They was like, pay your bills with it on that, and for a year it should help your credit go up, significantly. So I did this for a whole year. But family, what they didn't tell me is, even though you got this and you got this $1,000 limit and you pay it off every month on time, you can only spend 30% of the $1,000 that you put on the card in order for your credit to go up the fastest. I was spending about 75%, 80%, but I'm paying it back because I was using it to actually pay my rent, and then I come back and I pay it with cash. My rent was like $800 and my credit card thing was $1,000, so I figure it a boost. It didn't really help me. It helped me a little bit, but not a lot. So what I learned is, when you do get a secure credit card, you only want to spend 30% of what you put on the card. So if it was $1,000, I shouldn't have been spending no more than $300 on the card each month, paying that back, keeping the 70% on there as if I didn't need the 70%. And that way your credit would have went up faster. I didn't know this, and this things that they do not teach us when we're learning how to build our own personal credit and we're starting small businesses. Hold on.